As the number of whooping cough cases in Missoula County continues to rise, the Missoula Health Department says they are looking to hire up to 6 new nurses to help with the outbreak. There are now over 100 confirmed cases in 18 schools across the county. The sickness has reached every age with almost 2,000 identified close contacts. The county is seeing up to 15 new cases a day.
It's definitely still spreading. We're definitely seeing it all over the community. We're just hoping that we can get through the end of the school year and get these kids not congregating all in one room, coughing on each other, and then maybe we can start to see a decline.
And health officials expect the outbreak to calm down once school lets out for the summer.